The former taoiseach Bertie Ahern, who topped the poll in the Dublin Central constituency for 3 decades, says career criminal Gerry The Monk Hutch has no chance of winning a seat in the upcoming by-election.
You know the constituency better than most. You were calling it even in 2024 that Gerry The Monk Hutch could get in. So he's running again. Is he a threat?
No, I don't
think.
think.
What are the people in Dublin Central
I don't think
for?
so. I think in a by-election you need 50% plus one. So it's a totally different election.
Bertie Ahern often carried in a running mate and on some occasions 2 other Fianna Fáil candidates into the Dáil, given his surplus and vat of support in the area. The constituency covers the north inner city, areas like Portland Row, the North Strand Road, Sheriff Street and Summerhill. In his run for the by-election, Gerry Hutch is targeting people in these areas and posting on social media appealing to his supporters to register to vote. While the monk nearly got a seat in the last general election, Bertie Ahern pointed out that the bar is much higher in a by-election. He doesn't think that the man that was named by the Special Criminal Court as the head of the Hutch organised crime group will nab Paschal Donohoe's former seat. When I spoke to him at the Fianna Fáil event to select their candidate, this is what he had to say.
You know, the inner city area, there's been a lot of resources put into it over the years, but there still is, you know, a section of people feel that they don't get a break. But, you know, the only thing, the inner city is just part of the constituency. It's a very big constituency. Goes all the way out to Griffith Avenue, goes all the way out to Cabra, you know, goes all the way down to the river. So it's a big area.
In a general election, candidates in Dublin Central have to get a quarter of valid votes cast to get a seat. However, in a by-election, there's only 1 seat up for grabs and they have to get half of the valid votes cast plus 1 to get a place in the Dáil. Bertie Ahern says the by-election is a totally different situation, and he said while there are a portion of people in the inner city who feel like they don't get a break, the electorate spans over a much larger area of the city, including more middle-class places like Glasnevin and parts of Drumcondra.